saya singgah di Huang Kitchen. Sini di area Bentan juga distrik Wan di Saigon untuk lunch. Saya mau try romunya best seller sini. Hari ini saya minum kopi kelapa ataupun coconut coffee.
Take the rice we were right here.
Okay.
And you have me take the lettuce, and you take like half lettuce, and they dip with a little bit sauce, and it'll one side right here. And I take a little rice noodle, and I take the basil and the peppermint for you. And we'll take the rice. And I took like a wrap and later on make it like when we're wrong like the cigarette or like cigarette. That's it. When you eat it, hand me dip with a fish sauce. That's it. Enjoy.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Terima kasih. Wow. Ini yang disuruh buat tadi. Ini. Sedap kan?